Hi everyone, today we're in Dollar Tree. I just want to stop by, see what they have new in the makeup, see if they have anything that I haven't seen in the bath section. Okay, so it looks like they got in some more lashes, looks like some more fashion nail designs. These are new, I haven't seen these before. Let's see what else they have. And they got some good stuff in here. Too bad I don't need any of it. I've already stocked up on pretty much all of this. They got some new Bolero wipes down here at the bottom. Oh, what's this? Feel the Magic, Eye Magic. Let's see. Instant eyeshadow. It has the directions on the back of it. There's another look at the fashion nails. Oh, these are very nice. Lots of new eyeshadow colors from LA Colors. Facial mask. Cocoa butter and shea butter mask. And tons, and I do mean tons, of fingernail polish. All different colors. So if you're looking for some new fingernail polish and you want to save some money, definitely hit your Dollar Tree up because they have restocked and there is tons of fingernail. Okay, so it does look like they did get some more Bolero products in. Tons of Bolero products have come in actually. Let's see. Oh yeah, they got some more bath soap and facial scrub. Body cream. Oh, what's this? Dove Intensive Cream. Dove Intensive Cream. Nourishing Care. Let me try that out. Get some more facial scrubs and body creams. More bath bombs. I buy that spray for my daughters. They love that. Oh, here's the Mother's Day stuff. Let's see what they have here. Nice stuff here. Nice Mother's Day items here. Let's see what this is. Keep it simple. Oh, this would be great. This would be very great in the office or playroom or even in your little girl's room. A lot of this can be used in other areas, not just for Mother's Day. Place them in other areas of the home. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting one of those. Some photo albums here, notepads, relax and pamper, photo frames. Oh my god, guys, look at these. These are cute. These are too cute. Once again, can be used in any other area of the home. Does not have to necessarily be for Mother's Day. These are too cute. Coffee, more dancing, more music. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos.